In this video I will tell you about NFT games and then specifically the new Cosmic Assassins games, and I will actually show you some gameplay as well. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video. Like I said, in this video we'll talk about Cosmic Assassin, an amazing NFT game which is actually playable right now, and which is, as most of you know, pretty rare for NFT games. I'll tell you a little bit about what you need to know. They have their own NFT collection on OpenSea. I'll tell you how the game works, how to actually play it, and a little bit about what that is. So in the end, if you want to check it out, if you want to play it for yourself, which is very easy to do, then just check out the links in the description, and there's everything you need to know, including also social links of Cosmic Assassin. So definitely check that out. So first of all, I think it's good to do a quick introduction on what Cosmic Assassin actually is. So Cosmic Assassin is an exhilarating free-to-play multiplayer FPS shooter, first-person shooter that offers players the opportunity to earn cryptocurrencies in their own token, which we'll talk about a little bit later, and in NFTs. You can engage in battles against opponents and reap the rewards of their in-game currency called Blood Diamonds, or BLD. That's an abbreviation of their in-game currency. And additionally, players can acquire the exclusive in-game NFTs at no cost. So apart from that, all of the blockchain assets and the transactions are done on the Polygon network, which ensures secure but also fast and cheap transactions. And each kill in the game grants the players 1 blood diamond, which can be either withdrawn with a simple click, or it can be used to purchase various in-game assets, which are, like you might expect, also NFT assets. And furthermore, players have the option to actually transfer their earned NFTs to the browser wallet and engage in the exciting world of trading. So here you can actually see their website. If you want to play it, the button right here is at the right, the play now button. You can also a little bit more about how to play if you want to via these buttons right here, via how to play. And this is their OpenSea page. Here you can see some NFTs, which you can also see on the website. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see some of the NFTs that are available. And here you can actually check them out, and you can actually buy them, transfer you to your software wallet, and the software wallet, like MetaMask, is actually connectable, or you can connect that with the game itself. But we'll talk about that a little bit later, and I'll show you some in-game footage as well, both of the menu but also of an actual gameplay of me playing some team deathmatch. So that's going to be exciting. Like I said, all the links will be down in the description, but here you can actually see them on OpenSea. Just type in Cosmic Assassin, you can easily find it. Now, as you can see on their website, there are multiple NFTs which you can actually use in their game. And something you should know is that all of these NFTs are one of one, and they are limited edition. So if you actually like the game and you want to pick up these NFTs and be the only one with that specific character / NFT, then this is still the time. Alright, so now let's actually take a look at the game itself. Like I said, if you want to play it, you just press play now. Then you'll go to the browser edition of the game. They're also working on the mobile app that's coming this summer. But again, like I said in the beginning as well, if you want to be updated on that, make sure to check out their socials, and all the links, including socials, are down in the description. So if you actually press play now, the Unity browser will load up, and then you'll see this screen, or at least you will get to the screen if you sign up, or if you play as a guest, you can do both things. Then it's very easy right here to get there. Like you can see, this is the game. You can see how to play, so then you can use whatever wallet you want to use. There you can actually choose which map you want to play, and then you can just very easily play either free-for-all or team deathmatch. You can also get to your wallet where you can actually see your NFTs, but like I said, there's also a connection between the MetaMask wallet where you can actually see the NFTs in your wallet as well. Now in their game there's also the store, so you can buy different weapons, different characters, and all sorts of stuff in the game as well, including BLD tokens, which you can actually buy in the game. You also earn them with kills, like I said. You can also buy them in the game to buy new characters or weapons. You can see that we have bought 200, and I played a little bit of team deathmatch before this, and I killed 4 enemies, so you can actually see that the earning works as well. Now apart from that, in the main menu you can also see this withdraw button, which you can actually use once you have connected your MetaMask wallet to withdraw in-game assets. So now let's actually get into the game, and I'll show you a bit how it looks like. Alright, so here you can actually see me playing the game. As you can see, we're playing Team Deathmatch. I'm going to try to get some kills in this video as well. I'm not sure what this map exactly looks like. I think I'll be able to get some kills here around the tournament. As you can see from the game is well developed. You can actually play it, and it's pretty fun to play as well. First kill, and like I said, with every kill you actually earn some BLD as well. So you can actually earn real crypto, which you can just get to your wallet and sell by playing this game. Fortunately, we just died there. It went better the first time I played this, but I would definitely recommend you to check this out via the link in the description. For now, I'll quickly finish this game and then we'll end this video in a second. Alright, so with that we've reached the end of this video. I showed you some gameplay, I told you what Cosmic Assassin actually is. Excuse me, just press the play button. So if you want to learn more about this, or if you want to check it out for yourself, check out the links down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.